What's going on? It's facts you don't know. If it's your first time here and you want to find out new facts that will definitely make you smarter and more well informed, make sure to subscribe and activate the notifications bell so you don't miss anything.
The Polish athlete Peter Malachowski has auctioned the silver medal won at the Rio de Janeiro Games to finance the treatment of a child suffering from cancer, Oleg, who, thanks to the more than 115,000 euros, that's at least 129,000 US dollars, obtained, may receive the necessary medical treatment in the United States. My silver medal today is worth more than 2 weeks ago, a proud disc picture told Effie, who in less than 5 days has managed to raise the money needed to help Oleg, a little boy of only 2 years whose family did not have the necessary resources to cover the medical expenses required by his son's illness. Unfortunately, sport has become very commercialized in recent years, and today another spirit prevails. Although there are still supportive athletes with values who will help others and engage in charitable actions, as this athlete, who will meet today with Oleg's family to celebrate the success of the auction. At the end of the month, the child will travel with his family to the United States to undergo a special treatment that will help him to overcome his eye cancer, explains Malachowski, who also hopes to meet in the next few days with Dominika and Sebastian Kolzicki, the couple of entrepreneurs who have finally won their silver medal. They haven't picked up the medal yet, and I hope they do it personally to get to know us, explained Malachowski, who says he won't miss the trophy. A medal is just a piece of metal, but a child's health is worth a lot. Plus, Oleg's family also feels happy, very happy today, as explained by Effie to his mother Gosia, from whom he started the idea of contacting the disc launcher through his public profile on the social network Facebook, first to congratulate him and then to ask for help. Shortly after my participation in the games, Gosia wrote to me, and I didn't think twice because I had to raise the money as soon as possible, since in these cases you can't wait. There's a lot at stake, says Malachowski. From there, the athlete put his silver medal in a social auction network, and within a few days the figure reached that was necessary for the trip to the United States and the complete treatment. Winning an Olympic medal is every athlete's dream, and of course gold is the most precious thing. I tried my best to get it, but unfortunately it was not possible this time. Although fate has given me the opportunity to increase now the value of my silver medal thanks to solidarity, says the athlete. The Polish athlete Peter Malachowski, a silver medal at the Rio Olympics on record launch, donated his medal to an auction to help a child suffering from cancer in order to raise funds to pay for treatment, explained the athlete in his Facebook social network profile. Great world discipline star Malachowski, age 33, admitted being moved by the letter written by the mother of a 4-year-old boy, Oleg, who's been fighting for 2 years against a malignant tumor in his retina, which only one intervention surgeon in New York could remedy. I fought for gold in Rio. Today I call on everyone to fight for something even more precious. If you help me, my silver medal could be more precious than gold for Oleg, said the champion of several times. Europe and the world, specifying that the entire benefits of the auction will be destined to the treatment of the child. From there, the athlete will put a silver medal in a social auction network, and within a few days the figure reached what was necessary for the trip to the United States and the complete treatment. Thanks for watching. Please like and share the video in social networks. We'll be right back to you as fast as we can.